Alright guys, here we go. Another video. Got the Camaro out. My boy Chris helping me out today with some audio work. Disregard the dash. I have a dash pad, so trust me, it's not as bad as what it looks like. Putting in some speakers today. 6x9s, two 6x9s, and some 4x6s. Here are the 6x9s. I found this brand on Amazon, I think. And I read the reviews, and they had some good reviews. So I'm gonna try them out, see what they talk about. They clean though, it's clean. So we got some stuff we can do. But yeah, that's today's project, y'all. We're gonna work, put this music in, have it bumping. Oh, let me show you my stereo system. Let me show you my stereo system. Let me see. Actually, I went cheap, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, but it's nice though. It's Bluetooth and everything. I don't know if it still is cheap because I have a remote and everything. I think this is cool. This is simple. I got the play button. Man, look. Got the click button, spins, the whole nine. You know what I'm saying? It's fire. It's fire. Comes with the remote. Got everything with it, dog. Official. Official. So I'm gonna put this together and give y'all a review later on to test out the quality. But I'm gonna tap back in here in a minute, share some updates where we're at with everything. Look at this, y'all. This is what you don't want. Look at that shit. It's just falling. I'm getting a new one. All right, y'all. We're at the end of day one. Unfortunately, we could not finish the actual job because the wires that were in here were bad. We decided to use the same wires instead of strip out the old ones, and it cost us. So now we gotta pull all this out, pull the old wires out, put the new wires in, bring it back to life. Stay tuned, coming soon for some more.